Hello and welcome to the Trade Setup. Today we are looking at PayPal. I wanted to do an update since I have some thoughts on the latest movement that has happened. And overall we start with this wave 1 to the upside, and then we had a possible wave 2 correction here. And now we are tracking to find out whether we have more direct upside, either in a diagonal in a first wave 1, or maybe just a larger A, B, C correction, or if we go directly lower in the yellow count where we already started and had a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, that could be complete, and then we would go directly lower. It is still a valid scenario, but another possibility still in the yellow scenario would be that we are still in the wave 2 here, and we are forming an ABC that would take us higher in this wave 2 before we go directly lower in the third wave. With that said, what I want to focus on is here in the shorter time frame, and the idea is that maybe we haven't actually completed a 5-wave move like this here. It is a possibility. It's a very choppy structure within the subwaves here. I could even count them easily as diagonals, and that it may even be preferred actually. But we may have either had a 1, 2, 3, and in this a wave 4 in an A, B, C correction with an overshooting B wave here, or we may then we would have completed a 5th wave up here instead, which would require adjusting the support zone here. Then alternatively we could have had a small 1, 2 here, and then a larger 3rd wave, a 4th and a 5th that would instead complete this wave 1 or wave A here. So in either case it could easily be counted in a way that I would have the A wave, or either the A wave in yellow or the wave 1 in white, in a 5-wave move up here in essence. And the structure within it doesn't really matter. The levels do, however. So I'm actually going to add a support zone for the adjusted levels, and I'm not gonna keep on the chart those two completely overlapping support zones. I'm actually going to add a wave 2 in green that would provide support for either the white or yellow scenario. They are identical at the moment, or sorry, not the entire yellow scenario. It could go directly lower. We could have completed the wave 2 here really, so nothing is stopping us from breaking through the support zone and going directly lower. But however, this is still a very good risk reward area where we could set a stop loss here at around $56. That would be the invalidation point anyway for more direct downside. And I feel like I had to adjust. I really didn't like how we acted in this move to the downside, and all the choppiness overall in this area. It didn't provide a clear impulsive movement to the downside. It didn't provide a clear support that then proved to go higher. Of course, we may still be in the previous scenario where we completed the waves here, and then we had an A, B, C maybe, or even a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that would complete either the C wave in yellow or the wave 3 in white. But I really don't like that structure. It seems improbable to me rather, and that's it mostly. So overall, you have these levels in green. These are the levels that I'm looking for support for an entry. Okay, so it's between $68.3 down to around $60. So these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. I will continue to keep you updated on this chart and the others. I do uploads and updates and new videos on new stocks daily. So let me know what you want me to cover, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye bye.